is Autumn from SUPEREGN International Machinery Limited. Today we have 3 SANY SY215C to be exported. Now let me introduce this machine to you. SY215C is produced by SANY Heavy Machinery. It's designed for the earthwork conditions and also takes stonework into consideration. It targets to improve investment return of customer. The most important working part of the SY215C is the bucket. The SY215C bucket equipped with a standard bucket capacity of 0.93 cubic meters. The total weight is about 21.9 tons. As for the working ranges, the maximum digging height is about 9.6 meters, and the maximum digging depth is about 6.6 meters. The overall height is about 3.4 meters, and the overall length is about 9.7 meters. These are the days in the transportation. The SY215C is powered by new low-emission Cummins engine with enhanced power output, improved breakout force, and faster cycle times. The rated power is 118 kilowatts. Ergonomically designed cab for SANY Excavator provides the most comfortable working environment. All these are the basic information of SY215C. If you want to know more about this machine or the brand SANY, or you want to know more about our company, please contact me. I'm always at your service. This is Autumn. Hope to see you next time. Bye!